Yo, what up, guys? It's Brendan24 here. So today, I'm making a video for you guys. If we get to 10 subscribers, I'll give you this, and I'm gonna think for something else too. So it's not a BB gun. Look, I'll show you. You just pull the trigger. It just lights up. It just makes noise and lights up. So if we get to 10 subscribers, I'll give you that. I'll look in a comment down below which one, if you really want it, and I will, what about this? Wait, never mind. And, I'll just make a video. What else? Oh yeah, me and my dad are practicing karate in the front room, and so far, he beat me down twice. I beat him down a lot of times. Like, I got right here, and he goes right there. I got him. Yeah. So, if you guys didn't see, those are the trees. There's a thing over there. You can kind of see me a little bit high. So right now I'm just playing Forza 3. I can show you guys. I'm playing Forza Horizon 3. I just wanted to play my Xbox for a little while. Yeah. I'll make a video down below. What else I should give you? Alright, ready, Dad?
What?
Karate time. Looks like Mommy's eating with Bailey.
Hello.
And here's Dad.
Hi.
Alright, so we are going to do some karate.
Let's go.
Come on, Dad.
Up, come.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna make a good camera. Where should I put it?
In a few minutes. Finish those with a bit of fun facts.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy only wants us to spend 20. We're going to spend 40.
About 50.
Not 40.
50.
40.
50.
No.
Yes. Alright, guys. I'm just gonna make a best camera view. So leave a comment down below if this is good, guys. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
No. You got me.
Alright, guys.
I broke my shin.
Alright, guys, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Last one.
Yep, 2 more. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, gee.
Yeah! 2 points for me, guys. 1 point for him over there.
Okay. Last one. Let's see who gets it.
All right, guys, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
Ah! Not tickling.
You win. Good job.
Alright, guys, so I won 3 points. He won only 1. Yeah, guys, so if you're watching this video right now, like this video in 3, 2, 1, like it. Alright, subscribe me. Leave a comment down below and like this video. Alright, guys, peace out.